Welcome to BikeReview Hub, where we bring you deep, detailed motorcycle and scooter reviews without a host and without visuals, focused purely on the riding experience, engineering, and real-world usability. Today we're exploring the 2026 Zontes 368G, a unique adventure-style scooter that blends the convenience of automatic transmission with the power and capability of a mid-displacement machine. This scooter pushes the boundaries of what a maxi scooter can be. Overview: what is the Zontes 368G? The Zontes 368G is a premium crossover or adventure scooter positioned above conventional city scooters. Unlike typical scooters that focus on short-haul trips, the 368G combines powerful engine performance, advanced technology, and versatile comfort features, making it suitable for daily urban use as well as longer rides and light adventure routes. It's designed for riders who want automatic convenience without compromising on muscle and equipment. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Zontes 368G is a 368 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing approximately 38.8 horsepower, 28.5 kilowatts at 7,500 revolutions per minute and around 40 Newton-meters of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Figures that are unusually strong for a scooter and place it near the top of the 350 to 400 cubic centimeters category. Orteco Motos Isaka +1. The engine uses electronic fuel injection for efficient combustion and smooth throttle response. Power delivery is confident from low speeds while still offering overtaking capability on highways, an experience closer to a mid-size motorcycle than a typical scooter. Zontes. The CVT automatic transmission keeps riding simple, twist and go with smooth acceleration, making the 368G easy to ride in traffic and relaxed on longer trips. Orteco Motos Isaka. Chassis and suspension. Unlike commuter scooters with small wheels and basic suspension, the Zontes 368G adopts motorcycle-like geometry. It runs on a 17-inch front wheel and a 14-inch rear wheel with dual-purpose tires that improve stability on paved roads and light off-road surfaces. The front suspension uses 41mm inverted forks with adjustable compression and rebound damping, while the rear has dual adjustable shock absorbers with preload control, features usually found on larger adventure bikes. These advanced components help smooth out rough surfaces and lend confidence in varied road conditions. Braking and safety technology. Braking duties are handled by J.1 disc brakes, with a 300mm front rotor and a 4-piston radial caliper plus a rear disc, both supported by dual-channel ABS. This braking setup delivers strong, confidence-inspiring stopping power across different surfaces, including wet or uneven roads. Zontes. Additional safety features often include traction control systems and tire pressure monitoring, TPMS, adding layers of rider confidence and control, especially in changing conditions. Technology and instrument panel. The 368G is packed with modern electronics. A large 8-inch full-color TFT display serves as the main instrument panel, showing speed, tachometer, fuel, trip data, and connectivity information. Many versions offer smartphone mirroring and navigation support via Bluetooth. What sets the 368G apart is the inclusion of front and rear cameras with memory storage on some models, which can record riding footage, a feature usually found on higher-end touring motorcycles. Multiple USB charging ports, both USB-A and USB-C, add everyday practicality for keeping devices powered during longer rides. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is a priority on the Zontes 368G. The seating position is upright and relaxed, making it suitable for long hours in the saddle without fatigue. Adjustable components such as the windshield and handlebars help riders tailor ergonomics to their height and riding style. Seat height options around 795mm or a lower 770mm on some versions make the scooter accessible to a wide range of riders. Storage and practical features. Storage on the 368G is generous compared to most scooters. The underseat compartment can hold 2 full-face helmets, and additional storage spaces along with accessories like crash bars and luggage mounts make it practical for commuting and touring alike. Large fuel capacity, around 17.5 liters, combined with efficient fuel consumption, about 3.5 L a 100 km, gives impressive range, often estimated at up to 500 km on a single tank. Daily riding experience. In city traffic, the 368G feels confident and manageable despite its size. The automatic transmission eliminates gear shifts, while the powerful engine ensures smooth overtakes and acceleration. The sizable wheels and advanced suspension absorb urban imperfections, making daily riding less fatiguing. On highways, the scooter's engine provides enough torque for comfortable cruising, and comfort-oriented ergonomics make longer journeys less stressful. This mix of everyday usability and touring capability is a defining feature of the 368G. Who should consider the Zontes 368G? The 2026 Zontes 368G is ideal for riders who want more performance than typical scooters without abandoning automatic ease. A feature-rich platform with modern electronics and connectivity. Comfort for both city commutes and longer rides. Adventure-inspired capability without a full motorcycle license requirement. It appeals to riders looking for a versatile machine that feels more premium and capable than a standard maxi scooter. Final thoughts. The 2026 Zontes 368G redefines what a crossover scooter can be: a powerful, well-equipped, adventure-ready machine that remains easy to ride in urban environments while offering touring comfort and technology usually found on larger motorcycles. With its strong engine, advanced suspension, large storage, and abundant tech, it stands out in its category as a compelling choice for riders who want performance and practicality together. This in-depth, faceless review was brought to you by BikeReview Hub.